Hey everybody, good afternoon. Whenever you're watching this, doesn't matter. Welcome back to my channel. This is your first time. Welcome. I am actually doing a recording right now on a couple projects that I'm working on in the van. Now, as you can see up here, there's already my net. Thanks to my friend Stacy that helped me put that up. I appreciate it. Today I'm actually working on these, which are my Reflectix. I'm actually putting felt, and I'm also putting like a black board from the dollar store, one of the black poster boards. And I'm cutting it and shaping it, and then I'm going to fit it into the windows. I have seen it done without any adhesive, any magnets, any sticky stuff. I have used poster tack, which is like a blue little piece of goo. It's almost like Play-Doh. That would help temporarily put it on the window. You can take it down at any time. So I'm also working on up here and all the way around the van. I'm going to be putting up my lights that actually work. And they're like fairy lights. But at nighttime, when I have all my Reflectix up in my windows and my one in my front window, and I also have one in the back, I've already cut that one out, it's all lit up in here, and nobody would be able to tell if somebody's in here. So that's what I'm working on today. I'm working on the fairy lights with the Velcro to Velcro up on the top there and in certain spots. If you guys have any suggestions or done anything like this, you can comment below. But that is what I'm working on today, is my Reflectix. And I also wanted to again repeat about these pieces here. If you haven't watched the video, I suggest that you go watch it. It's Cooling Your Car Off is the name of the video. And these are very nifty, very inexpensive. They're only $2, and they basically give you fresh air through your windows. So go watch that video. It is on my lineup. I do have a video, an updated video on it. So if you want to watch the updated video, it'll say update on the part of the title. That is definitely one that you definitely want to go check out. So I've also updated my little book list, my list of books, my pile of books, my spiral notebooks. I've checked off a couple places that I've already been, and I also have a list already made for Alabama Mississippi line. I'm going to be doing a live on my Facebook page on that next Wednesday, and that's my hump day coffee hour. But I do have a trip that I'm going to be doing live. It's called Road Trip Live, and it's on Tuesday, February 9th, per weather. That might be changed, per weather. But I'm going to have all this done, and basically the van's already cleaned out and situated as much as I'm going to get it. Not going to change anything else. I do have a cot, a camper's aluminum cot that folds. It's the frame, and I put my sleeping my air, the one that I would use in the tent. I put that down. I put my foam down. Then I put my sleeping bag down, and then I have my big thick bathrobe, and I have a blanket, and I also have a personal heater that I can run off of my my Jackery battery. It's a little battery box, like 250 watts. And I also have a 150 watt solar panel. It's like a suitcase that I can unfold if I need to charge anything. So I'm pretty set up. Like I said, it's all per weather. So I've got, like I said, I've got that that road trip set for Mississippi, Louisiana, and Texas. But I'm going to be camping in Louisiana, so you'll see the video on that. That's upcoming soon in the middle of this month, and probably be for about 2 or 3 nights. Depends on, one, like I said, the weather, and two, it also depends on how I like the campground. So I've also found this for up front and my dry erase board. So I will be making notes on these for different things. And I'm also starting my, right behind the driver's seat here and the passenger seat, there's the handles to get into the van, to get into the, second row seating where it would have been sitting here. So I'm going to be making a curtain, and I'm going to be using some of my paracord or some of my rope. I already tried the bungee cords. Some are too tight and some are too loose. Go figure, right? So I'll just use them in some other way. But I am going to make it. I have a brown blanket that has holes in it, like if somebody already else used it for a curtain somewhere. So I'm just going to put the paracord through the blanket and then tie it to the handles, and that'll be my privacy curtain at night, and with all the reflectings and with all my lighting. So I'm pretty good. I got a pretty good setup. I'm really happy with it. I really am. I just can't wait to get it in full force. So that's what I'm working on today. If you guys have any questions at all, just comment below. And let's see, it is my YouTube channel. I'm going to be uploading a couple videos. I uploaded a video today on my channel about Q&A. I was asked a few questions from followers, friends, and family, so I went ahead and answered some of the questions. It's about 20 minutes long. It's worth watching. You might really learn something. I did an intro first before I jumped into the questions, so you get to know a little more about me and how I came about this lifestyle and how I love this lifestyle. So, but that's about it for now. So I'm going to go back to work here, and I guess I will catch you some other time. Hopefully soon. I'll see you somewhere. All right. Talk to y'all later. Stay safe. Ciao for now.